You searched how to buy shares of Viking Acquisition Corp I. Viking Acquisition Corp I is a special purpose acquisition company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker VACI, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker VACI to locate Viking Acquisition Corp I. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing so you reach the correct stock page. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for VACI. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker to ensure it is the right asset before continuing. To invest, click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to purchase, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or handled according to the platform's rules, and if you lack funds, the broker will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new VACI position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description below for the example eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.